Namaste guys, this is take 3. All right, this video, the first 2 tries have been 4K. I hope you're having a happy-go-lucky day and happy-go-lucky life. I don't even get angry, I just made the mistakes again. There's some things that I want to do right, so let's do it right. This video is about, it's no picnic, it's not easy living on your own piece of land in the countryside and taking care of it on your own and everything in general, except for the major repairs that you might have to get somebody to do or remodeling. So here, this is 3,000 square meters of land here in Oriente Antioqueño that belongs to my father. He has 2 houses on it. The bigger house over there, that's just 1 story, and 2 stories here, which is kind of like smaller and whatnot. And I live in that smaller one. It's not totally finished. We have 13 dogs, 10 are on that side, 3 are on this side. Cutting the grass is time consuming, energy draining, because you'd use the weed whacker and we're not paying somebody right now for it. We'd rather save the money because we have so many expenses going. So let's keep going with this 4K video, and let me know if you guys have a country house somewhere out there, like Easy Street with Jen kind of lives kind of like in a rural, semi-rural area. Easy Street with Jen is a channel, check her out. She's out of the greater Atlanta, Georgia area. And this is the little house here. It's not totally finished. You just get a sneak peek. That is just very constricted. It's just like one man cave there. There's the big house right there, and a lot of stuff. Feeding the dogs, I have to cook for them every day because we decided to take away the dog food, the regular dog food, and feed them just healthy home cooked meals, and they're doing much better. 3 dogs were getting sick with allergies like every couple of months, and we had to call the vet over. This is the 2nd floor. My dad's using it like a storage area right now, and a couple of things belong to his sister. The rest belongs to him. Nothing belongs to me. The neighbor's property's here. It's all in the countryside, but this is not like this in the countryside. This is just this one exception in this area. And going towards the parking space, but I just don't want to show the truck for privacy purposes. And if you have seen it in the past, okay, whatever, but I just don't want to show it anymore. This is the water tank, little tool shed kind of area here. And let's keep going. Lisa, because you're tired. There goes the tire. And that's the main house, and I'll show you what I mean. It's a lot of work cleaning up both places, mopping, sweeping, cleaning bathrooms. This is guys, this is my dad's place, and here's the food that we cook. And I cook every day. I cooked these 2 last night. I cooked these 2 yesterday early in the morning with this one. And then I gotta cook some more later on that I'm defrosting, unfreezing this chicken niblets, whatever, and cooking some lentils there. How much time are we into? 3 minutes. We got plenty of time. So this is my dad's house. This is an old house. And this is the way he keeps it. This is just the way he likes to keep it. That's him. I'm a very organized person, but oosh! They're just driving nuts. So it's like Sanford and Son here. Shh, shh, shh. Brownie, stop. She drives me nuts. I love her, but she drives me nuts. She's probably driving you nuts with all that barking. So cutting the grass, taking care of this, feeding them. I mean, cooking those big pots and everything, cutting up the veggies. Oh, they're going nuts. And cutting up the veggies and the potatoes and everything. And then cooking, waiting for it to cook properly. And every day I spend about 2 hours and some change cooking. This used to be a chicken coop. And the idea is that we build up, I mean, this is time consuming. And if you really want to have a lot of free time and whatnot in your life, whatever, I'm trying to see if I walk into a spider web, and I always walk through one right here. And I don't want that spider to do the Spidey Queen's thing on me. Shh. Sorry, she drives me nuts. She drives my old man super nuts. So I gotta start cutting this week. And Brownie, this is a fig tree. That's an old type of structure there. Shh, shh. Hey, stop, Brownie. Oh my God, today, I mean, I'm very calm in general, but that will drive you nuts. And the idea is to probably build up a shed here. Not a shed, a big storage room here. Knock that out. And my dad would like to build up a country house here instead and leave the other one for something, or knock it down in the future. Maybe him, and that way he could have a view with a second floor little balcony in that direction towards the mountains. To the other mountains. We're on a mountain here anyway. We're on a mountain. We're not in the valley. We are in the mountain, on the mountainside. And this is the rest of the property going down towards the neighbor's property. But this is all welcome to the jungle. It's difficult. Playing with the doggies, you know, keeping them happy. Make sure that they're all good. Combing them sometimes with the special dog hair combs to get out the dead hair, and giving them a massage at the same time. It's a lot of work. And then washing 2 vehicles, keeping them clean, getting rid of this stuff that looks pretty. And I haven't been able to get to this because I've been so busy going out, doing things, making videos. I gotta run errands, gotta go food shopping once a week for a lot of major stuff, visiting down, seeing my dad once every 2 weeks down in Medellin. These things, they call it ojo de tigre, eyes tiger, or eye of the tiger. And it looks beautiful, but it's an invasive plant, and it will kill all these Eugenio trees if I don't start doing it soon. I did that over there. It's time consuming. You gotta get a helper. You gotta get, let's say, a domestic housemaid, somebody to come in, a housekeeper to come and do the cooking for you and cleaning if you want to really save energy and time, but not money. And it costs money in Colombia to have one. Right now, the minimum monthly wage is 1,400,000 pesos. Plus, you got to add to that every year you got to make sure you pay them their paid vacation, plus their pension money, and pay for their health insurance, which is in addition to that salary. It comes out to probably about 1,900,000, right under $500 a month. And then if they ever leave or whatever, or if you fire them, then you have to do some severance pay and whatever, and you have them live in with you, because a lot of Colombians that have money, middle class and upper class, they have them live-in housekeepers, because they have a little extra room with a little private bathroom for that woman to clean. But don't expect it to be cleaning a mansion or cutting the grass for you. It's just the house and cooking. And the house, a decent sized house, you know, or apartment, about 150 square meters, 200 square meters, 250 square meters max, and they can do the job usually. So that's in 4K in under 8 minutes. It's time consuming. The cleaning and mopping, washing clothing, hanging it out, folding. If you're doing all that yourself, gardening, keeping the garden and the grounds clean and everything, and playing with your dogs and then whatnot, it's consuming. It ain't no picnic, especially when it's bigger. Bye, y'all. Let me know what you think.